Welcome to Hiremath classes. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the ninth class English. And in a ninth class English, I have taken the poem 4.3 Silver. And Silver, this is a poem, and I have solved the English workshop activities in the this video means in this video. So first of all I will read the activity first. If you were asked to draw a detailed picture of the scene described in the poem, what object, animals, natural features, etc. will you show in the picture? Make a list. So they have asked to us to make a list whichever you want to draw the pictures. So possible answer I have written here: river, swan, hut, house, white dog, white dove, icy mountain, or full moon sky. So, dear friends, I have already solved the first activity and I will go to the second one. I will read first. Write the rhyming words and the rhyme scheme of the poem. So, first I will tell you the rhyming words: moon, shone, seas, trees, catch, thatch, log, dog, peep, sleep, by, eye, gleam, stream. These are the rhyming words. And I will tell you the rhyme scheme. Here three stanzas are there, and first stanza's rhyme scheme is AABB, and second stanza's rhyme scheme is AABB, and third stanza's rhyme scheme is AABBCC. So this is the activity 2, and I will tell you the activity 3. Underline the words silver or silvery in the poem. In which lines does it occur? What patterns does it show? Here they have asked two questions to us, and first one is in which line silver or silvery words occurs. So I will tell you the line numbers first: second line, fourth line, sixth line, eighth line, 10th line, and 12th line, and 14th line. In these lines the silver or silvery words occurs. And what is the pattern? Means they asked what is the patterns. So I will tell you these words occur in the pattern of even, not odd pattern. Okay. And next I will go to the activity number 4. Can you think of a parallel scene of dawn or evening when everything is steeped in golden light? So I will tell you the possible answer. Dawn means अरुणोदय म्हणजे सकाळ, evening म्हणजे संध्याकाळ. So I will tell the possible answer. Yes, in the evening the sun sinks below the horizon to set. As it goes lower and lower, its dark orange, crimson, orange or crimson rays spread across the sky, and the surrounding steep in gold light. It brings an awesome scenery to view. So, dear friends, I have written the answer first, and I read in front of you because if I tell all those things, and the video will become longer. That's why I told the answers as they need. So I will. So I have already told you. Once again, I will tell you the possible answer of the activity 4. Yes, in the evening time the sun sinks below. The sun sinks below in the horizon to set. As it goes lower and lower, its dark orange or crimson rays spread across the sky, and the surrounding area steep in gold light. It brings an awesome scenery to view. And this is the possible answer of the activity number 4. And then I will go to the activity number 5. The same landscape appears different at different times. What message can we draw from this? And this is the activity number 5. Some landscapes appear in at different times also. And what message means, what is the message of the activity number 5? So I will tell you a person or an object can have a multiple characteristics that reveal in different situations. Multiple characteristics that reveal in different situations. So perception means a grasp of the same thing may vary from person to person. That means the grasp of the same thing may vary from person to person. Means mm, this is the what you call answer of the activity number 5. Dear friends, I have tried my level best. So I have solved all the 5 activities in front of you. So and I have given the written script. uh, uh, with the video. So if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. And if you have any comments, you give the comments on our comment box. So I will stop here. Thank you very much.